Well, whenever you see this message, publisher could not be verified, most YouTube videos tell you only one thing: click run and ignore it. But that is exactly how many systems get infected. This warning appears when Windows cannot verify the digital signatures, or you can say digital identity of a software publisher. In simple words, Windows is saying, I really don't know who made this file, so be very careful. This does not automatically mean the file is malware, but it does mean the file has higher risk. Usually, this pop up appears for three common reasons. This is why pirated softwares, activators, and modified tools often trigger these kinds of warnings. Before clicking run, just check these four settings inside your system. Right click the file, properties, and find the digital signatures. If there is no signature, be very careful. So next time when you see unknown publisher, don't blindly click run just because a tutorial said so. Sometimes this pop-up is harmless, but sometimes it's your last warning. Now we understand the actual issue. The question is how we can sort this out, or how we can overcome to this issue. So the answer is really simple. You just need to open the PowerShell with administrative privileges and run this PowerShell code. This code will be executed and it will change three common policies inside your Windows operating system. Do not preserve zone information in file attachments. Inclusion list for low file types. Default risk level for file attachments. When these three settings altered, so now your system is ready to run any kind of unpublished softwares inside your Windows operating system. Thank you very much.